This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning. This is Fari. Good morning. It's I was on mute. Sorry about that. Restarting. Hold on. Let me. How do I kill this? Hold on. Sorry.
This conference will now be recorded.
No, it's recording. It's still recording.
This
Good
conference will
morning.
now be recorded.
Second take here. We had the issue earlier. 8:57, Tuesday, 24th, and market is getting some sense of what's going on here. We think. Okay. Let me go there. Okay. Here's the screen, and welcome. Next week, sometime, we will be doing a public meeting, a public version of this for the morning break. We've added some stuff to the screens and so on, changes some stuff on the website, and we're ready for you guys in a larger scale. Yeah. Okay, let's get started. Econ data. As you know, overnight or right after the cash close, the news was that the GSA gave in and said, "Hey, we're moving forward. The country has to move forward, and there's no more time for Rudy Giuliani and his BS. If they had any chance, they wouldn't be thrown out of court that many times. It's a country of facts and data and science. Anything less than that, you should go to Venezuela. So where are we here? Today's Tuesday, 24th. Case Shiller came out, or is about to come out. We're 1 minute from Case Shiller. Okay, this is what we're looking for. Okay. Then, of course, we have more to go. What else we have? Price index, I'm not too crazy. Look at the black color. Consumer confidence at 10, and then Richmond Fed. Both of them, to me, are important. I don't know where they put the red at there. Wow. I don't want this to go too far. 98, okay. Oh, actually dipped down, okay. Yeah, so somewhere in here, 99 to 100 is fine. I don't want to see 102. That's not good. Easy does it. My bias is upside. I want to stay that way into the year end. You're probably going to see very little move by me back and forth on the market timing. Bullard is speaking. Mr. Dove. Is he voting? Yeah. Bullard. It's not Ballard. It's Bullard. It's a BU. This is a Dove as non-voting. Dove column. Yeah, we're going to add this thing in my mind. I'm changing my screen, my sheet. Forget this. Then Williams is from New York Fed. Clarida is a vice chair. And that's it. Tomorrow, durable goods. Let's see. Durable goods 1125. That's correct. GDP 1125. That's a big day tomorrow, guys. We have international trade, so bound trade, and then jobless claims. Yes. That's because Thursday is a Turkey Day. So international trade. This is hold on. Let's see what this is. This is trade. Okay, we got to add that trade. Trade 11/25. Okay. Trade. National trade. Okay. This is yeah. So this is really trade deficit. That is trade deficit, people. That's what it used to be called. Yeah, pandemic months up in September, down on services in February. Okay, I understand. All right. To widen, yeah, that's what I want to know. Okay, yeah. Trade deficit. Okay, we're going to add that too. Hold on. I'm trying to make this thing, my list a little bit better. You can only do it from use. So practice makes perfect. Whereas, okay, sorry. And that's where we are. Sorry about that. Okay. And there's nothing going on the rest of the week. Now, guys, for the record, I'll be here for maybe first hour, an hour and a half of Wednesday. I've got appointments from noon. That's what happens when you have assistant. She's got me booked from on. It's a, R&R stuff. So I'll take a little bit easy to be ready. Plus, I got to swim. I'll probably do a bike Wednesday. Did 50 laps yesterday, 50 laps today, bike 10 miles tomorrow, then 60 laps on Thursday morning, pre-turkey dinner. Okay. Okay, get that appetite up. I'm losing weight like left and right, which is great. It clears your head. All right. Moving forward with the next section, which is PMT. Timer charts. Outside bar. Okay. Pushing up 159. We like that. We like that. Mark Rose is short, the number 2 guy. And of course, he's been good this year. He hasn't been good always, but this one has been good. But I'm looking at the last 10 years. I want to hit because I was number 1 for 8 years on 18. I want to grab number 1. This would be a timer of decade. Hashtag Nostradamus, as CNBC would call it. Okay, DT, D-Trender. Remember the volume here. Volume here doesn't matter because we've had updates, right? This is nothing's 5-1. By the way, if you guys follow Bo, you could see the Norseman, whatever I forget his handle is. He does some very interesting work on the volume. I'm trying to get him to for us to have a bite to eat and catch up. And he's local, but he's been busy. He actually does custom homes. He did Bob Mercer's home, the guy behind Cambridge Analytica and Steve Bannon. Yeah, that's what Steve Bannon investor. Yeah, in what do you call it, in Long Island. Mercer works for Jim. I think I forget his name. Starts with a D. The guy who ran what do you call it? He ran Renaissance Technology. Okay, Rentec. Yeah. So anyhow, let's see. Let me go here for a second. Rentec. Okay. No, long story short. No, that's different. ST1 Momo. I'm sorry. Come back here. We're pulling up. This is the story. We've been pounding a table. Look what RTY is doing. I understand that. Apple is a laggard right now. There's an analysis done this morning by my good friend Mike Santoli from the what do you call it? From Minionville days. Renaissance Technology, yeah. No. Hold on. Sorry, guys. And he went after that. He said that, listen, the issue there we have is James Simons. I'm sorry. I'm talking about James Simons. Sorry, I was talking about this guy. Yeah, this guy. This James Simons. Mercer works for him. Mercer came from what do you call it? From Watson, from IBM Watson. Yeah. They're doing a great job. The Pure AI Shop. They have their own campus in New York, in Long Island. Okay. And then Bo works on that. They've done this. So, long story short, back to here. Sorry, I'm all over the place. That's okay. Yeah, too much IQ, not enough speed to talk. No, just kidding. Not enough IQ. I need to organize my thoughts. Let's see. New high there. Not yet there. Yeah. We're still elevated. We're still, if you look at where we are, look at the trender. Historically, we're high up there. So do we have a risk of getting into trouble? Yes, I think we do. But everybody in his brother said that. Anyway, he said Biden comes in and we're done. Really? Like, look what's going on now. Not a Biden fan, but read the data. Look at forget what you think. Trade what you see, not what you think. All right. I threw my books out of the window a long time ago. That was in Chicago. All right, outside bar, weekly, very quiet. This could be a close to either push up or either big push up, and I think that's what's going to happen most likely, or maybe another drop to test this area. This rising at about 3,400. I think you're going to see 3,800. Next year, you're going to see 4,000. Yeah. The economy has always done better under Democratic rule because they spend too much. Yeah. They pumped the economy. So, yeah. And who's going to pay the debt? Don't worry about it. It's only $3 trillion we did this year. Unbelievable. Milton Friedman is turning in his grave. Sorry. This is a problem. 140. You saw what happens. They always lead to a problem. So watch out. This is what I want to see. We need to see 16 on VIX. Normal should be 10 if all-time high. So that's a huge 2 sigma not discount. What do you call it? The burden premium. That's what I'm talking about. So remember the oil prices, terror premium. That's what it is. This is the terror we had from alt right. This was the terror we have. Why is it up here? Why is it up here? Well, the market's all-time high. Something's wrong. So hopefully alt right is done. Right? It's correct to be right or left, but not alt. Yeah, you gotta get your facts straight. At the end, data and science will win. Always have. We put a man on the moon in 9 years. Don't forget that. Okay, we bounced off the central line on SP2. Are too untrusted. What happened to our rendezvous point? We don't know. But obviously, there's some ebb and flow in there that we have to keep watching for. Okay, let's SQ hedging up at that between +1 +2. So as we go up, maybe people get a little bit more worried about buying some insurance. I don't think you're going to see this for a bet, but we'll see. Again, don't think. Go with the data. Ooh. Yeah. See, this is giving a Nasdaq sell. Yeah. This is giving a Nasdaq sell. Okay. Yields came up. That's a good sign. Remember, this is live. This is current. If you've come up, that's good. That's good. I want to see 1% on this. Is the equivalent is 10 because this number you divide by 10 to be the YTM. So it's actually it's 0.868% YTM, yield to maturity per annum. Okay. So far for that. Let's go to overnight. Try to flow here quickly. What time is it? 9:09. Good. Okay, Raiders, that's you don't need. This is what I do. This is overnight. Picture overnight. We're up 26. We're as high up as 5 more, so we're at 31. And that turns to 0.7. Yeah. I think you're going to see cyclicals do better. I'm not a fundamental guy, but I do read and I listen for other people's analysis who are much, much better than I am. And technical stuff, I can tell you my own weight, I think, after 25 years. But fundamentals, there's a lot of great people out there. And that's a far more complex setup. You have to have a left brain power or right brain or whatever that is. I think right brain power. Yeah. I got probably more left brain than anything else. So we should see industrials do better than technology. Plus, technology ran away so fast. And if we're coming back, this should give away a little bit. Some Amazon or others could be a little bit under pressure. Okay. We are running these two that we've got posted for you. Remember what Admiral said? The support. This is Admiral Tico now. The smart Admiral we have. Yeah, we have 2. But this is a smart one. Yeah. Even though he's also Roman, Chihuahua and Italian Greyhound. So think about it. He's a Roman. But he was born in Alabama and he voted for Trump. But it is what it is. He does understand his mistakes. He's learning. That's what he said. Daddy, love your losers, you said, right? I'm learning. I said, good. So, this time he didn't vote. So here's the thing. The support held, we're at 2 sigma, not 2 sigma, I'm saying. We're at B band. Yeah, keep on forgetting. These are modified Bijap band, which is modified Bollinger band. But these are not 2. This is actually not even close. This is a little bit wider than that. The 2 sigma would be somewhere down here. And if you look, because it's off of this, remember, it's off of this and what's in the bar, so it's hard to say sigma. It's not a good nomenclature. But he said the done. He said I'm done with the naysayers on crude. Crude is going to go up. And it's been going up. Look at the right translation. Boom, 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 boom. Trade what you see, not what you think. Okay. Excel, here we are. I'm sorry, this is Excel Plus for Easy. This is what we're posting at night for you guys, by the way. Okay, and we're on the 4th week now of November. Next week we start December. Why? Majority of the week is an issue. So if you have a 1 day in that month left, then that's next month. Okay. So, and I think there was a couple of them about a month ago or something. We had something like this one, for example, this one, right? 3 of them was in September. That was December. So we took it as a 5th week. We're trying to be consistent, just like they do with option expiration contracts. Okay, dates. This is Excel Plus. This is EVB Special. We have had one signal, big signal here. Now I do filter this a little bit different than you guys do on the regular machine on the Sony 49-incher, but because I'm just the one I'm watching constantly throughout the day on the oldest screen that you guys would watch before, the 27-inch. But this is always on. I have a different filtering for the color code only. Okay, so and a little bit different in the margin, but just because I don't want to get false signals with my style. Remember, I had a discussion last night, by the way, one of you folks. Small account, he's using top step trader, and it keeps getting blown out. I said, I can't follow you. I said, why are you following me? I'm running a multi-million-dollar fund, 14 clients, 250,000 minimum. You can never follow what I'm doing. Think of that. Stay out of that. If you're not making some money for this, indicators and the charts, mute me out. Watch the chart. Forget about audio. Do not follow me. I didn't say everybody should follow me. The large accounts should do that. Small accounts, you're going to be in trouble. Okay? Don't do that. Because I can hit. Boom, boom. Okay? Especially now with the margins. Being 1/2, and I think in December 15 time period, which is the next FOMC meeting. That's at 2 p.m. 16. So I think within that window of the 15, 16 of December, right there, right, these two, I think that you're going to see ease. We go to a quarter by CME. Now that always comes from from the Fed somewhere in there, or could be doing it that Monday. It's also possible. Don't rule that out. It could be coming in. Excuse me. They could release it on Monday. They released it this time on Monday too. Okay, so it's easy. A lot of people go flat on the weekend. They don't carry any swing trades over the weekend. So it could be that. I'm thinking that time, so that the Fed comes in and says, "Hey, I'm in control." And the fact also they put Janet Yellen as head of Treasury, that's a bridge. That's a bridge. The same thing happened with Geithner when they put him in by Obama. So I think better days are coming. We will spend a lot of money. Don't get me wrong. There's going to be a lot of handouts, but I'm not sure I agree with that because I'm a conservative guy. But I think we have calmness, but we can plan our business and move forward without all this crap that's been going on for 4 years. Okay, I've liked the choices on the cabinet, especially the DNI. There was somebody else there I like too. I don't get much for Kerry. No. DNI I like. There was another person. Oh, Jake Sullivan. I like him. The NSA. Remember, my background is defense, military industrial complex, and defense policy, and what do you call it? Also deterrence and all that. SIOP. So I like those traits are crucial to me. So I liked McMaster. Flynn, I liked early on, but he was an idiot as the head of DIA. What he did, he wouldn't know the Russian ambassador for Kosovo. Please eavesdrop. Are you kidding me? You're head of DIA, 3-star general. And then, of course, that created all this mess. And then the last guy, is it O'Brien? Yeah, he's got no background there. Yeah, very poor choice. That's why he said some stuff that was really ridiculous, too. But he's done. We're done. We're moving forward. Always move forward. Anything else for me? Any questions? 9:16. I am sharing my video. Isn't the video being shared, guys? Yes, Jeff, I think so. Yeah, I have an audience view. Yeah, let me switch this back. Yeah, I am sharing. Yes, it's on. What do you call it? It's on. Yeah, thank you, Susan. Yeah, it's being shared. Let me close this. We're gonna get. Yeah, thank you. I see you see it fine. Thank you so much. Thank you, folks, for responding back. Yes, do that. Answering me in the GoToMeetings excellent because there's a little bubble that pops up and says that. Okay, I think it might have been from before, maybe. Yeah, I'm sorry. But recording is done. We're going to close it all. Thank you, Susan, for hanging in there to be organizer. I refreshed. They need to add, what do you call it? They need